To solve this question, we have overlapping sets. So let's go ahead and construct a Venn diagram for the class. Let's create a big rectangle, which is going to represent the entire class of students. So this is going to represent our class of students, and let's go ahead and label it. And we're told that we have 25 students in the class. So we can go ahead and jot that down. That's the first bit of information from our question. Now we do have sets of football and badminton in here. So let's go ahead and let's create a circle for each of those. We do have that they're going to overlap. So let's go ahead and make sure that we have a sliver of these two circles overlapping, these Venn diagrams. This first circle, let's call football. It represents all the students that play football that are in the class. And then we have a circle for badminton. And these are all the students that would play badminton in the class. So let's go ahead and reread our question and extract some of the information from it. So we have that in a class of 25 students, we have that number down. 10 students play football and 8 play both badminton and football. Now, students that play both badminton and football fall in this little sliver of our Venn diagram right here, the overlapping portion of these two categories. So that's 8 people or 8 students that we have in here. Now, tagging back a little bit, we have 10 students play football, and that accounts for this entire circle. So if we know how many are in this little sliver of the football circle, we can find how many are outside that sliver of the same circle. So if there's 8 here and there's a total of 10 in the entire football circle, we have 2 left over that only play football. The next sentence in our question says, if 10 students don't play either sport. Now if we look at our Venn diagram, there's 10 students in the class, but they don't play either sport, meaning they're outside of these circles. So that would be over here somewhere in the class, but they don't play either sport. How many students play badminton but not football? Now, badminton but not football accounts for this portion over here of the badminton circle. And since we're asked to find that, let's go ahead and give it a variable name. Let's call it B for badminton. And we're actually able to set up an equation involving our variable B. Since the sum of these total numbers should equal the amount of students in our class, we can set up the following equation. 2 plus 8 plus B plus 10 should equal 25. That's summing our entire class. They should all be equal. And we can go ahead and solve this equation for B. So simplifying a little bit, we have 10 plus 10, which would give us 20. So B plus 20 equals 25. And solving for B, we end up with 5. Now remember, B represents the amount of students that play badminton but not football. And that's what we were looking for. So our final answer choice will be C, 5.